All right, this is my small box trailer. It's a 3,500 pound axle under this thing. It's I think it's 16 feet long. Don't quote me on any of that. But basically, I need to get this turned into a tool trailer, storage trailer slash job site tool trailer. This will be a several part video series on getting this trailer up and operational for me. I hope you guys enjoy. Check out the rest of the videos as they come out. We got some parts in and hopefully a tool for the trailer work back here. Let's take a look at this stuff. So we got the grease seal remover. That's for the bearings. I've got two motion sensor LED lights for the sealing. I've got a handy pack. So this is a bearing packer, grease packer. I've never used one of these. I just normally do it with the palm of my hand, but I'm gonna try one of these out. They're pretty inexpensive. This was recommended, of course, on Amazon when I bought new bearings for the wheels. And then we've got our DeWalt staple gun. Most, if not all, cargo style box trailers are built with door skin or really thin plywood on the inside, and they use these little strips to cover the seams, and they use staples to hold that all in place. I have to remove portions of that. In the past, I've removed it and then carefully put it back on with the existing staples. I plan on redoing the staples, hopefully to make it look a little nicer. We'll see how it goes. But for right now, we're gonna go ahead and get started working on the trailer. So I have never actually used a bearing grease packer. There'll be a link in the description for this one. I got this off Amazon. So we're getting our bearings ready to put in. I ordered these on Amazon. So anyway, these are for my trailer. Make sure you get the ones for your trailer. So inside of here are a couple of bearings. They look like this. And we need to pack these bearings. We take that inner bearing, not the race. We take the inner bearing and we're gonna set it over the top of that grease zerk, down inside of the cup. And this cap, so you slide it down and then basically push. So that is a packed bearing. And you can see the grease coming out between the needles and how much grease is all over that, which is really good. Packed. along this front edge, this chip guard or rot guard from your fenders had a piece of caulking. You can see here, this stuff, hey, there's another big chunk I fell off earlier. So this has completely failed along this seam. We're also going to check these screws. We're going to snug them up just to make sure we seal up this gap as much as we can. Any of you that have ever dealt with a enclosed trailer or a box trailer know that the screws on here are not normal screws. They look like Torx head, but they're not. They're actually 8-point. And you can order a specialty bit offline, but I've found that a square drive bit fits these perfectly, and you're able to snug them up ever so slightly and make sure you have sealed up all the seams. So, like this, and that. I'll take one here. There we go. Well, I have finished up all of the maintenance on this trailer and slash a couple of repairs. It is ready to be built out into a tool trailer at this point. So I went through, I replaced the wheel bearings, got new tires put on it, went through all the sealant, redid a bunch of the sealant on the trailer itself, greased everything up, all the hinges and latches and everything like that, took care of all those items, got it just generally cleaned up. Got all the old tools out of the inside. So it is a blank slate, ready to be built out at this point. I hope you guys got a lot out of this one. Definitely was just a bunch of maintenance items that anybody would want to do on any normal trailer, and to be honest, I had neglected this stuff on this trailer for quite some time. We got them all taken care of. So definitely check out some of the other video links. I will have the upcoming videos on here and a bunch of other stuff from the garage series. Really appreciate you guys watching. I hope you got something out of this one. Until the next one, thanks for watching.